Hello everyone, today I'm going to present you this Dell Latitude E6420 business class laptop. It is also known as the industrial grade manufacturer robust tech god machine, I call it off, because you can see it has very well refined finish of trimetallic kind of gunman magnesium raw material. Is built in high-grade structural mold. You can see this is a very robust laptop which is popularly used by the business community, and this is no other than the inferior consumer type of laptop you paid for a new PC fare and so on. No, this is a value asset. And in the hardware you can see, okay, what it takes up in your application is basically a USB. If you want to hook up to an external monitor for dual display, plug a VGA cable here. This is the headset, okay, and you have this what they call the okay, this is the SC, okay, the smart card reader, a very thin slot here, smart card reader. Okay, this is the latch for you to just push it, and flip it, the screen up. Okay, that's it. Okay, and this is the popular SD card reader. You can transmit your image, graphic, your document, media, whatever in your SD card. Just slot it here, and you know what to do with it, I'm sure. And this is a smart card compartment. Okay, smart card compartment. You can just took it out, this plastic thing here. If you're not in use, just leave it here. Only when you have intention to play the smart card. This is okay. This is a Expresscard reader. Okay, this is an Expresscard reader. Other than that, this is known of the optical DVD drive. You can burn your disc, your CD for economical reasons. Say you have spare CDs and you are running some quick. You are going to burn some media for marketing, advertising, and you find that it's more cost efficient to run on the optical disc, rather than the thumb drive, and so much reason. And you want to play some optical disc. This is very helpful. In today's tech, you may have constraint, but this, you have a full feature, and you have the 2 USB port. You have the eSATA port for enable user to quick transmission of media, to your external hard drive. You want to back up your external hard drive, or you want to pull media from your external drive back to here. This is a very fast transmission port that you can advantage of. And this is a HDMI out port. You can HDMI connect to the TV, and or some purpose, that acquired for high definition media interface streaming. Okay, and other than that, you at the rear here, this power adapter outlet. You can plug your power adapter, charge, whole charge. And this is the RJ45 Ethernet LAN port, for if you're not running on a wireless activity setting, you just plug the RJ45 cable for online internet connectivity. This is again the USB we have just covered. Okay, so this system has been revitalized. It's running on a robust industrial grade of Intel chipset of Core i5 generation 22520. 2.5 GHz quick processor, and when it comes to the turbo hyperlation, you can optimize max to 3.5. Yes, 3.5 GHz is the turbo max up. By default is 2.5 GHz. And the beauty of this system today I'm going to share is the newly developed Feren OS. Yeah, Feren OS, very quick, user-friendly operating system that I'm going to share with everyone here. What you see is exactly how it performs. You say, wow, you're amazing, lovely white bird pigeon, peace of mind, you know, freedom of choices. This Symbolic exemplifies the lovely white pigeon, or we call it a bird, a parakeet, you know, what you can think of, you know, it's a pleasing system. Feren OS, welcome on board. Rather than the fanatic users of Windows, you know, the Mac Apple users, you have so used to the proprietary software. This is an alternate choice. Today you can run the Feren OS seamlessly, like, you know, the majority of the device of Windows and Mac OS works very well. Switching to the Feren OS is simply a finger snap, you know. It's an open source, okay, it's a Linux Mint base, okay, open source development. And with Feren OS, most of your documents, music, videos, pictures, etc. work out of the box, and you can run most of your favorite Windows application with no emulation needed using Play on Linux or Wine. Okay, where is the Wine? I'm going to show you once you own this system. Okay, pardon me, I think I would prefer to use a mouse for this review, a wireless mouse, and plug in the wireless dongle here. Okay, so it's easier for me to do a quick show out what is inside here. This is the preset of Windows XP theme. Okay, first, I have just mentioned, right, you can run some of your preferred Windows application, blah, so on, and you can find it in this program, Wine. This is the one, Wine, and then launch the Wine, and then don't uninstall, configure, and so on. Other than that, okay, according to a developer, it has mentioned that Play on Linux, okay, it enable user to run most of your favorite Windows applications with no elimination needed. Okay, so either Play on Linux or Wine. Okay, other than that, you know, this program, like for instance, I want to find out the hardware system info lah, you know, just like Windows XP, yeah, user interface, right? Okay, in this system, currently it's running on the 3.66 version Feren OS. As I mentioned, this is a Dell Latitude E6420 version, second generation Core i5-2520M CPU, 2.5 GHz, and it has a Turbo Max 3.5 GHz based on manufacturer specification that you can search online in your own interest. Okay, and this has preloaded 4 GB of RAM, PC3, DDR3, 4 GB RAM, and it has been upgraded to a solid state drive of 120 GB. Other than that, okay, as I mentioned, right, this system, you have a choice to select your preferred theme. So you are a fanatic Apple user, you know, most probably you may want to start off familiar how this open source work almost similarly like the Mac or Apple OS in your preferred setting. Other than that, Windows theme, you know, you have a 10 version, Windows 10, 8, Windows 7, Vista, you know, XP, you know, which I have chosen as my preferred demo setup, because even now my Windows XP operating system in another tablet form is running daily of my application tasks, no issue. I am so used and adapt to the user friendly of the 2 columns row, you know, one look, launch the task tab bar, you know, you can selectively go straight to the application that you want to, you know, it's very straightforward, very straightforward utilities. Okay, Office, you know, it's a LibreOffice 5 version. Graphics, you have a choice, you know, you run the open source GNOME graphics, you know, it's as good as Photoshop and so on. Games, you know, you have tons of games in the software. I'm going to show you the software folder in the short while. You can see Linux theme, Google themes. When you get online, you know, hook up online internet access, you can start to download your preferred theme, you know. You can go for your preferred theme, okay. You see all this is because it's yet to connect online. Once you connect online, download and launch it. That's it. Okay, very straightforward. Okay. Now the next thing is, you are the one who crave for learning experience as trying a lot of open source software that you're already familiar of. Now there are lots more, that you don't picture out in the Windows that you can take advantage from here. The Windows similarly work productively more than what it takes in what we have been adapt to it. Is like this Feren OS is the choice that you should have a feel that all these utilities, is practically you're familiar or is being newly to embark on a productive applications. Yeah, these are like, for instance, we talk about internet applications. You have Chromium, you can download and launch it. You have Firefox, and this is the seed torrent. You can download application running on this deluxe, and many more that you find very familiar and so on. It takes so much time to touch on this. It's better you have a few, you own this, and you learn trial and tribulance, trial and error, and so on. And that's how science education for children studies, for young adults, professional, it's plenty of tools that you can embrace it. Science, math, education, electronics, blah blah blah, and so on. And then editors, developer choice of preference. These are familiar tools. These are familiar tools that we talk about. And other than that, plenty more. Okay. Well, other than that, should you want to launch the webcam here, look out for this program called Cheese. Is inside here. I just type for quick launch. This is Cheese. Okay, click on the Cheese. That means it's a launch of webcam. Straightforward, right? So other than that, I'm going to play some nice retro, no, not retro music, futuristic hits that you find familiar. You ever find Big in Japan, the Big Bang, sounds so good, right? So Ace the Bass, the CD. I'm going to try this optical drive, DVD, but now I'm going to play the music. Play out loud. How far can we go? Let's take a look. Okay. Going to play this. I have insert, the Ace the Bass. Okay, CD. And the moment after I insert the disc, he'll ask me what to do. Okay, you can open the folder, and I would like to play with VLC media player. I think most of the computer user you're familiar with. So you can play with VLC player. Okay, then just play lah. Track 1, okay. There goes the music. People in the house, are you ready? Okay, let me toggle the volume. The volume is here. Okay, I just manually toggle. Wow, happy you need to have some up spirit music, so you feel fresh, feel more energized, and be inspired. Motivation. May Almighty Force be with you. See, it's sound like a kind of well, it's a retrospective album. You can hear some illusion of spirit. Good, yeah. Booty, yeah. Okay, sound good, Cut out. Okay, that's all. So this Feren OS, I have just touched on the software you can find here, right? This is running on a Windows XP theme that I have, is my personal presentation choice. Of course, you can decide later, once you own this system, you know, this wireless connectivity, you have to configure to your wireless ID and then key in your SSID, okay, to get hooked up to the internet. Well, plenty more features. You can figure it out, you know, in your own time, own interest. Yeah, there's a much more you can play around with this system. So what's up in this system, as I have shared with you today, is a productive utilities. Is more than what you can find in the PC Fair, you know, the new system that those are catered for home user. I would say the consumer class, but this today presentation, this is the business class Dell Latitude E6420 industrial grade electronic components are high quality raw material, re-engineered from high grade raw material into quality built electronic components embedded in this system. It built to last, robust, standing ideally for task worker, you know, yeah, keyboard warrior, you know, educational researchers, academia, you know, professionals, and of course, gamer. You are interested, you know, you embark in this new platform. The white pigeon, I call it the white birdie, you know, a blazing system, you know, is up for you to adopt. Yeah, take good care of it, and you will like it. It's a new interface that you will appreciate, you will crave. The computing task worker newer height to escalate to the modern tools that help you to solve a lot of work that you find much challenges and encounter, or whatsoever can be solved. It's a solutions. Okay, have a good day. You know, so you're keen to adopt this Dell Latitude E6420 business class laptop, you know, just Tingle Kenji, you know, give him a call, 92767477. You know, you can message him, WhatsApp me 92767477. Okay, it's only deal handout in Singapore, 92767477, and you know, he will offer it to you. Then have a good day. You cheers, have a good day. And well, I got to go. Well, just shut up. That's it. That's it. That's it. Let's go. That's it. Go. Have a great day. Just that's it, man. Voila. Finish that presentation. That's good.